Hello, it's me, Vicki again. I hope you are all well. Thank you for watching this video. Okay, so what we're going to look at today, que vamos a mirar hoy, es cómo decir en inglés, is how to say in English, hay. ¿Vale? So, hay un frigorífico en la cocina. O en mi jardín hay 3 árboles. So we're going to look at how to say I in English. And if you have the book, this is on page 28, página 28, en Romper la barrera del idioma inglés nivel 1. Pero no necesitas el libro para seguir el video, ¿vale? Ok, pero si quieres comprar el libro, lo puedes comprar en Amazon. Cualquier sitio de Amazon. Okay, so I in English is there is, there are, or in a question, is there, are there, ¿vale? Okay, so vamos a mirar algunos ejemplos. So, por ejemplo, si quieres decir en inglés, ¿cuántos dormitorios hay en tu casa? Yeah, this is the Spanish. So if you want to say that in English, ¿cuántos dormitorios? How many bedrooms? Are there en tu casa? In your house. ¿Cuántos dormitorios hay en tu casa? And I would say, in my house, there are 3 bedrooms. In my house, there are 3 bedrooms. Number 2. ¿Hay una televisión en tu dormitorio? So, is there a television in your bedroom? Is there a television in your bedroom? And I would say, no, there isn't a television in my bedroom. Or no, there is not a television in my bedroom. Negative. Number 3. ¿Hay algunas flores en tu jardín? In English, are there any flowers in your garden? Are there any flowers in your garden? And I would say, yes, there are flowers in my garden. Sí hay flores en mi jardín. No es jardín realmente, es patio, pero bueno, hay flores. So, yes, there are flowers in my garden. Número 4. ¿Hay cuadros en tu salón? So, in English we would say, are there pictures in your living room? Are there pictures in your living room? And I would say, yes, there are several pictures in my living room. There are several pictures in my living room. Number 5. ¿Hay algunas mascotas en tu casa? Are there any pets in your house? Are there any pets in your house? And I would say, yes, there are 2 dogs and 1 cat in my house. Yes, there are 2 dogs and 1 cat in my house. Number 6. ¿Cuántos árboles hay en tu jardín? How many trees are there in your garden? How many trees are there in your garden? And I would say, there are no trees in my garden. There are no trees in my garden. Número 7. ¿Hay algunos buenos restaurantes cerca de tu casa? And I would say, yes, there are a lot of good restaurants near my house? Sorry, I need to. So, are there any good restaurants near to your house? Yes, there are a lot of good restaurants near to my house. Number 8. Hay muchos libros en tu casa. Are there many books in your house? Are there many books in your house? And I would say, yes, there are a lot of books in my house. Number 9. Number 9. Hay un coche delante de tu casa? Is there a car in front of your house? And I would say, yes, there is a car in front of my house. Yes, there is a car in front of my house. And number 10, ¿qué hay en tu mesita de noche? What is there on your bedside table? What is there on your bedside table? And I would say, there is a lamp, there is a bottle of water, and my mobile, normally my mobile phone also. So on my bedside table, normally there is a lamp, a bottle of water, and my mobile. What about on your bedside table? So this is a little conversation that you can have with other friends you might have that are learning English. Eso es una conversación que puedes tener para practicar con otras personas que conozcas que están aprendiendo inglés también. Muy importante practicar la pronunciación, muy importante en inglés.